Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable developer option for USB debugging or etc. on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first thing first, we need to go to our setting. This is my setting and I'm going to open it. Alright, and after that we're going to scroll down until we find the about phone option. Click on it and you're going to go to the software information. Then you can tap on the build number many times until the developer mode is active. You can tap on it like that. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on, and I'm going to go back to my main setting just like so, and this is the developer options. We can click, and then if you want to enable the USB debugging, you just need to search for the USB debugging right here. Just type in USB debugging. Okay, this one. Okay, and here you will be able to activate the USB debugging, and in this developer option you can activate a lot of features which you cannot access in the setting. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable developer option for USB debugging or etc. in Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.